airport information, Oscar 2253 Zulu, wind 170 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 27, dew point 15, altimeter 29090, ILS runway 30 approach in use, runway 30 arrivals, or runway 25 left, tower frequency is 119.4, runway 30 departures, and runway 25 right, use tower frequency 120.5. Land and hold short operations in effect. Departures contact clearance prior to taxiing with your position, ATIS, and requested runway. Notice Airman, runway 34 left closed and unmarked, runway 34 right closed between Golf and Kilo, taxiway Juliet closed between Bravo and Delta, taxiway Juliet 2 closed, helicopter pads 5 and 6 closed, runway 12 VASI out of service. Advise on initial contact you have.
Okay. Long Beach ground, Cessna 9446 on our ATIS, Oscar, Long Beach Flying Club 25 left.
Number 94469 Long Beach clearance. Roger. Are you going to the Ventura area?
We're going up to Van Nuys.
9469, roger, contact ground, and would you want to do a runway 30 departure?
That would be great. 469.
Just 469, appreciate that. Expect runway 30 at Delta 3, contact ground.
30 Delta 3, contact ground. Long Beach ground, Cessna 530, I'm sorry, Cessna 94469er, Long Beach Flying Club, ATIS, Oscar, taxi 230 Delta 3, please.
Number 94469, Long Beach ground, after Cherokee, correction after Cessna, inbound, runway 25 left, correction runway 30 Delta 3, taxi via Foxtrot Delta, cross runway 34 left.
Foxtrot Delta to 30 Delta 3, verify a Cherokee 4600.
Number 469er, you're going to wait for a Cessna.
Okay, we'll wait for a Cessna, 4600.
Number 469, you can be detected now.
Thank you, 4600.
Long Beach ground, Skyhawk 101 Kilo Alpha with Oscar ready, taxi 30 at Delta 3 from Pacific Jet Center.
Number 101 Kilo Alpha, Long Beach ground, follow the Cessna ahead, runway 30 Delta 3, taxi via Foxtrot Delta, cross runway 34 right.
Follow the Cessna ahead via Foxtrot cross 34 right and Delta to 30 at Delta 3, 101 Kilo Alpha.
554 Bravo Papa.
Are they going to repave the 3-4s or are they taking them out forever?
4 Bravo Papa, the plan is to turn them into taxiways.
I agree with you.
Long Beach ground, Boeing crash 4. Boeing crash 4. Crash 4, permission enter 2.
No, vamos para allá.
Receive the C-17. Number 4 Bravo Papa, cross runway 25 left, cross runway 34. Correction, hold short, runway 25 left.
Uh-oh.
Hold short, 574 Bravo Papa.
Long Beach ground, Boeing crash 4, requested permission to Juliet check with the receive the C-17. Boeing crash 4, proceed via Juliet. Crash 4, proceed as requested. Number 4 Bravo Golf, cross runway 25 left, cross runway 34 left, signature.
Okay, cross 25 left, Bravo, then cross 3 left, 574 Papa 46.
Number 8 Tango Sierra, cross runway 25 left, taxi into City Flyers.
Cross 25 left, taxi into City Flyers, 8 Tango Sierra.
En Long Beach, en la universidad, el Pyramid.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sunset lights. Long Beach Tower, Cessna 94469, holding short 30 Delta 3. We'd like a straight out departure, please.
Cessna 94469, Long Beach Tower, runway 30 at Delta 3, line up await, traffic landing and departing runway 25 right.
30 line point, Niner 446 Niner.
Cessna 08 Charlie, traffic holding in position, runway 30. Niner straight departure approved, runway 30 Delta 3, clear for takeoff.
3 Delta departure approved, 30 Delta 3 clear for takeoff, 46 Niner. Pressure good, todo está bien, RPM's good.
Cessna 08 Charlie, traffic departing runway 30 from the intersection of Cessna will be straight out.
Roger, 08 Charlie.
Cessna 469, traffic turning Cessna, traffic turning crosswind to the downwind for runway 25 right, Cessna remaining in the pattern at 1,000 feet.
Roger, looking for traffic, 46 Niner. Traffic in sight, 46 Niner.
Cessna 469, thanks. Cessna 469, frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 46 Niner.
30 Whiskey, frequency change approved, see you tomorrow.
Whiskey, thanks, take care.
Hawthorne Tower, Cessna 9446 Niner, we're over the 710 freeway out of Long Beach. We'd like the Miniroute northbound, please.
Niner 4469, Hawthorne Tower, good afternoon. Squawk 0240, main clear of the Bravo at all times.
0240, Cessna 4600. We're main clear of the Bravo, 4600. Compton.
Yeah.
LAX.
Hawthorne Tower, Cirrus 1290 Charlie, level 2500 in the Miniroute.
Cirrus 1290 Charlie, 204 Hawthorne Tower, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land 25, Surveyor 204.
Five Mike Bravo, Hawthorne ground, runway 25, taxi via Sierra. 395 Mike Bravo, Hawthorne ground, taxi via Sierra. Number 469, contact LA 119.8, good day.
119.8, good day, 4600.
Number 12990 Charlie, Egan.
La Torre, Los Ángeles. Los Angeles Tower, Cessna 9446 Niner with you over We're over the freeway right now, south of Alondra Park, 2,500 Miniroute northbound.
Helicopter 43 Delta, clear through Bravo airspace via the Sepulveda route south, disregard the report.
43 Delta, clear through Bravo via the Sepulveda route at 1,500 feet.
Cessna 94469 LA helicopters, LA altimeter 2993, ident.
903, ident now, 4600.
Cessna 469, radar contact 6 miles southeast of the LAX VOR at 2,600, cleared through Bravo airspace via the Miniroute at 2,500.
Clear through the Miniroute, 2,500, 4600.
Helicopter 43 Delta, leaving Los Angeles Bravo airspace, frequency change approved.
43 Delta, good day.
Ahí está Los Ángeles.
Vamos a pasar por la derecha a Los Ángeles.
Por la derecha, sobre las pistas prácticamente.
Cosa, 2500.
2500. Se debes ver los grandes aterrizando abajo de uno o saliendo.
A uno ahora.
Sí.
Tower, Cirrus 1290 Charlie, level 2,500 for the Miniroute.
Here's 1290 Charlie, LA helicopters, LA altimeter 2992, ident.
Ident, 90 Charlie.
Here's 90 Charlie, radar contact 6 miles southeast of the LAX VOR at 2,500, cleared through Bravo airspace via the Miniroute.
Clear through the Bravo via the Miniroute 90 Charlie, thanks.
Hollywood Park. El racetrack.
Ah,
Y aquí está Los Ángeles.
ya estamos arriba de Los Ángeles, ¿no? Dice que a esta hora no hay tantos vuelos, ¿no?
No, pero ahí va uno saliendo.
Ya, pero...
Bueno, hay como 4 en la cola.
Cessna 469 in a mile, leaving Los Angeles Bravo airspace, radar services terminated, remain on your beacon code, contact Santa Monica Tower 120.1.
120.11 out of the Bravo, 4600, thank you. Santa Monica Tower, Cessna 94469 Center. We're right over LA Airport now, North Complex, 2,500. Miniroute north, and we'd like to go to Van Nuys.
Cessna 94469 Santa Monica Tower, transition approved, Santa Monica altimeter 29902.
902, 4600.
And Tower, Miniroute 904 Delta. If there's a gap that we can cross over the intersection and carry on southbound along the 405, please let me know.
Miniroute 904 Delta, I've got the gap right now, transition approved as requested.
Thank you, sir.
469er appears to be level now at 2,400 indicated and just dropped back down to 23.
Roger, 4600, thank you. Not in sight.
Cessna 29er Alpha Foxtrot, Santa Monica Tower, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction, Cessna 2,800 indicated, squawk 0202 and a right base.
29 Alpha Foxtrot, squawking 0202, right base, entering right base.
Traffic in sight, 4600, can we get a frequency change?
Nice tower.
4600, traffic in sight, can we switch frequencies?
Tower 906 Delta, reorbiting here over the 10-405 in 1200.
Cessna 469er, contact Van Nuys Tower.
Van Nuys Tower, 4600.
Cessna 81 Juliet Delta, traffic just over the interchange is going to be a banner.
Santa Monica Tower, correction, Van Nuys Tower, Cessna 94469, negative 8, service to Pulpita Pass, 2,800 inbound for a full stop.
Cessna 94469 Van Nuys Tower. Turn left towards Griffith Park, correction, turn left towards Encino Reservoir, then make right traffic into wind 6 right. 8 is India current, wind 100 at 10, altitude 29er.
Roger, I'm familiar with the area. Is that the reservoir off to our left here, straight ahead?
469er, turn left about 30-40 degrees, and about 2 miles, then make right traffic, runway 16 right.
Roger, we'll make a right traffic 16 right to the reservoir, 469er.
Zero, only traffic over the numbers.
There's 9 Sierra, make traffic over the numbers, runway 16 right, cleared touch and go, then make right, close traffic, report right down to beam.
16 right, clear touch and go, report a beam, 9 Sierra Romeo.
Cherokee 0 Echo Foxtrot, report left down to beam the tower each time.
0 Echo Foxtrot, load report down beam.
Cherokee 90, keep your speed up to high speed. Mike, contact ground 0.7 as you exit.
Section Mike, is red and contact ground. Thank you.
Cherokee 0 Echo Foxtrot, caution brake turns, heavy Airbus now east of you, descending into Burbank 2,300.
Traffic inside 0 Echo Fox.
Miles out of 2,000.
Caution brake turbulence, traffic, stay with it.
Van Nuys Tower, traffic watch 739 Alpha Tango is holding short, runway 16 right for 101 East 1 departure.
Touch 739 Alpha Tango, Van Nuys Tower. Hold short, runway 16 right.
Hold short 16 right, 9 Alpha Tango.
Touchdown Alpha Tango, eastbound 101 approved, runway 16 right. Cleared for takeoff.
16 right, clear for takeoff, 9 Alpha Tango.
Echo Fox, down right up beam.
Cherokee 0 Echo Foxtrot, runway 16 left, cleared touch and go.
16 left, clear touch and go. 0 on Echo Foxtrot.
Person 469er, where do you park? And runway 16 right, cleared to land, wind 120 at 12.
16 right, clear to land, and we want to taxi back for the full length for departure.
This 469er, roger, you'll be a right turn off.
Thank you, 4600. Okay. Flaps. Right. Behind.
90 Romeo, we'll be a full stop.
Cirrus 90 Romeo, roger. Roger 9 Alpha Tango, confirm you're eastbound through Burbank.
Affirmative, 9 Alpha Tango.
Roger 9 Alpha Tango, contact Burbank Tower now 118.7 with your intentions.
Okay, going to Burbank Tower, 9 Alpha Tango.
818, number 2, follow Cherokee on left base, turning final.
Number 2, traffic light, Cessna 818.
This 469er, traffic ahead of you at Cherokee, turning final for the Apollo.
Roger, 469er.
Here's Oracle Foxtrot, Cessna heading to your right for the right.
Traffic tight, Oracle Fox.
Science Romeo number 2, following a Cessna half-mile final.
90 Romeo, got him in sight.
Science Romeo number 2, follow Cessna, Renault 6 right, cleared to land.
0216 right, clear Lancers, 2590 Romeo.
Those 818, your traffic over the VOR, Renault 6 left, cleared, touch and go.
16 left, clear touch go, number 2, Cessna 818.
¿Quedó bien?
There's a 469er, right turn off, kind of ground, 121.7.
121.7, thank you, 469er.
No se supone
que viene
que...
muy alto.
¿Eh?
Viene muy alto.
Sí, estaba muy alto.